What's up, guys? My name's Drop. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you clicked on this video, you are probably a kid under 14 or under. And today I'm gonna be giving you some really good advice for money. And listen up, I'm 16 and a half, so I'm not like crazy older than you, but I have some pretty good advice that I think will help you guys out. Pretend I'm the older version of you. Whether you're a girl or boy, it doesn't matter. Just pretend I'm the older version of you in a couple of years, okay? I'm gonna go over some saving tips and some money-making tips. Let's get right into it. So don't spend every penny you get. Please do not spend every single penny that you get. Trust me, do not. You're gonna want money when you're older. You're 100% are gonna want money when you have a car, or even when you just get into like your later years in high school. You're not gonna want to be broke, and you're probably not want to get a job either. So just don't spend every penny. I say spend maybe like 20 to 40% of what you get. So it may just be Christmas, birthdays. You may not have any money at all, but trust me, any money you come by, just save it. Whether it's saving cash or even putting it in your bank, trust me, you're gonna want it later. And especially me, when I was younger, I just spent every single penny I got. I probably wasted, like, over the course of like 10 years, I probably wasted like $2,000, which is crazy. So please do not spend every penny you get. Another saving money tip is, if your parents aren't buying your car, start putting money in your savings account now. But usually for your car savings account, usually it's like called like Sprout account maybe. But basically they add 10% at the end of every year. So if you put money in, let's say, or it's like usually up to 1,000. So if you put in, let's say you put in like 200 a year, you're gonna be making $20 a year. So definitely put money into a Sprout account for your car. Another piece of advice is to don't get into drugs and alcohol. Now, I know this is kind of like a given for you guys, but it's not only because it's bad for you, which it is. I definitely do not advise any children to do that. It's very bad. I don't do it. I'm not like that at all. But it's not only bad for you, but it's really expensive. Like, people waste so much money on just crap that's horrible for you. And this goes for like even like food and stuff too, but especially drugs and alcohol. I'm very, very against those things, especially when you're a kid, especially when you're under the legal age. If you're over 21 or over 18, you can make your own decisions. But as a kid in high school or middle school or even like elementary school, I don't know how young you guys are, it's just bad idea. It's not good at all. Don't get into that stuff. Just stay away. Another tip is to buy simple clothes, maybe just like simple design clothes, just so you don't have to upgrade your clothes all the time. And maybe if you're like in between sizes, just do a size ahead so you can maybe upgrade a little later. So now the tips that you guys probably clicked on the video for is money making tips. And this video is not like me telling you to go mow grass or like shovel snow. I'm gonna give you real ways to actually make money as a kid. The first tip is to go into your closet or go into your room, look around for clothes, video games, old electronics, and sell them on eBay, or if your neighbor has a garage sale. Trust me, I've probably made like over $1,200 doing this in just the past, I don't even know, a year. Like literally the past year. Or even if you have like baby toys. I don't know how old you guys are. Probably not that young, but if you got baby toys, usually some of those sell for a bit of money, especially like Hot Wheels and stuff like that. And Legos sell for a lot too. So definitely just do your research, figure out how much stuff is worth, and you can easily make a good, I'd say 500 just from clothes and crap you have that you don't even use anymore, like old electronics and stuff. Or if you're at the age where you're like upgrading your phone, you could probably sell your old phone for a bit of money. And another thing is to start YouTube. So I know that you're probably really young, so YouTube, you're not gonna be making money right away. But trust me, if you start young and you just grind it out and you learn the creation process and you actually like develop into like being a good YouTuber, you can definitely make money in the future. And I know those last two options were pretty vague, so here's some really good advice for making money, especially online money, is to learn a money making skill. So that could be graphics design, video editing, freelancing homework, which is basically just doing homework for somebody, or freelance writing, which is maybe writing a blog or something, or some sort of like essay. But definitely these are like the main money making skills. I'm gonna have a more in-depth video on all the money making skills for the internet that are the best ways in 2020. So in a few months, I'm gonna have a very in-depth, detailed video. It'll be a vlog, and I'll have like a whiteboard and stuff. It'll be very in-depth on how to make money online, and basically the skills, and I'll break down the skills for you guys so you can make money easier. Like, learn the skills that you need to learn to make money. And it could even be coding too. If you're good at coding and you're really young, that is very, very cool. You could even make YouTube videos about coding as a young kid. You'll definitely make it, as long as you put in the work. I hope this video helped you guys with money saving tips, money making tips. I really just want you to listen to this video as maybe like I'm a mentor or like an older version of you, because this is exactly what I would tell myself 3-4 years ago. This is literally exactly what I would tell myself. These are very important things to learn, and I hope this helped you at all in some. If you liked and subscribed, it would mean so much to me. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace.